In today's video, we will learn how to change color of any object. So let's jump into the timeline. I have a car footage here and I'm gonna drag this image on the timeline. Now increase the timeline and fix the position value. Select picture layer and go to the effect control panels and fix the position here. It looks perfect. Now I wanna go to Lumetri Color, visible the hue saturation curve. If you don't see Lumetri panel here, go to window and turn on Lumetri Color. Go to hue versus hue, then select drop icon, select the color you want to change. I'll select red color here, then increase the red line curve. Make sure your line has placed in middle. Then I will select another point. Now the blue color applied around the curve. This color was there before and it is now. To get more interesting editing related video like this, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so that our next video reaches out.